You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this letter from the alphabet in English. If you want to learn more letters pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. I've got many more. I'll link to a few videos for you. And if you want words, examples of words with this letter, stay tuned too. H is how you pronounce it. H. You could spell it A-C-H. H. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.